Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to claim candies in the Coingecko app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPad Pro. So let's jump into it. First open the Coingecko app, and then when you are on the home page, you will have to tap on the top right corner on this little candy jar. And when you tap on it, you will see your candies. As you can see, my balance is 0. If you tap on this question mark, you can read what are candies, our way of saying thank you. Redeem rewards using candies and stay tuned for more as we continue to add in existing rewards for you. So these candies you can claim every single day for the first 7 days. And you just have to tap on the collect 10 candies. And that's it. You will have your 10 candies. So to browse rewards, you can scroll down and see these are the rewards right now. Some books by Coingecko about crypto and Bitcoin. Okay, let's go back. And also they have a few other features as well that you can purchase with your candies. Also Travala coupons, which is I think the first crypto traveling company, NordVPN, and yeah, they have quite a few options here. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.